Not just a humanitarian crisis, there's also an economic crisis now brewing within the country. Remember, the dry fruit industry in India thrives primarily because of what's being developing in Afghanistan. The dry fruits that come from Afghanistan into India are now currently facing trade issues. Take a look at this ground report, how the dry fruit industry has been impacted in the country.
The deteriorating political situation in Afghanistan in the wake of Taliban's takeover has led to a spike in prices of dry fruits sold in India ahead of the festive season. Traders are worried as they don't know when supply will be restored. The Federation of Indian Export Organizations says that supply chain disruption can hurt traders as well as consumers.
Imports from Afghanistan is concerned, that comes through the transit route of Pakistan, and as of now, Taliban has stopped any movement of cargo from Afghanistan to Pakistan. So virtually the import side has been stopped.
The price of almonds has gone up from 650 rupees per kg to 1050 per kg. Apricot prices have soared from 350 rupees per kg to 700 rupees per kg. Pistachio prices have also gone up from 1800 rupees per kg to 2400 per kg. Prices of walnuts and raisins have also gone up exponentially. Traders at New Delhi's Khari Bauri, the biggest dry fruit market in the capital, say the situation is worrisome and it's leading to skyrocketing prices.
ये अंजीर अफ़गानिस्तान से आती है और अभी इसकी फ़िलहाल नई क्रॉप आने वाली थी जो कि अभी हिंदुस्तान में नहीं पहुंच पाई है। कुछ पहुंची थी लेकिन उसके बाद सारा इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट आज की डेट में बंद हो चुका है और जो भी स्टॉक पुराने स्टॉक रख के बैठे हुए हैं उनको भी नहीं पता किस प्राइस पे क्या चीज़ सेल करनी है।
Not just traders, the common man too is bearing the brunt of this supply chain disruption.
ये ड्राई फ्रूट लेता हूँ क्योंकि वी आर बेसिकली सीनियर सिटीज़न, तो डॉक्टर्स भी रिकमेंड करते हैं उसी तरीके से कि बादाम के 10 दाने खा लो, थोड़ा अखरोट खा लो, थोड़े अंजीर ले लो, तो उस तरीके से महीने के लेने के लिए आते हैं। लेकिन अभी जस्ट मैंने अभी इनसे चीज़ें डलवाई हैं तो चीज़ों के भाव इस तरीके से ऊपर हो गए हैं कि आम आदमी के लिए बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा इस तरीके से।
The traders don't know when these dry fruits will come to the country next. They are only hoping for the Indian government and the Taliban to come to a trade agreement very soon. This will impact you and I because we will have to shell out more for some things which we eat daily. For Indians, things like almonds, figs, walnuts, all these things they eat daily. And with prices skyrocketing, the traders are fearful that the prices will increase in months to come too. This is Ishwara Paliwal reporting from New Delhi with camera person Sanjay Kumar.